In this video, I'm going to give you an assignment on all the learnings that we had in the recent past videos. So based on all the learnings, the question is you have to create a very similar front panel that I've shown you on the screen. And the question is you have to create a application which access a TXT file database in which you have stored username and corresponding to its password, right? So the user has to put the username and password and click on login. After logging in, if the username and the password is correct, then it should be green. And if there is any discrepancy or the username and password does not match, then it should be red. And along with this, there should be a pop-up in front of the screen saying access denied or access granted. So I hope you will be able to complete all the assignment. And if you are not able to do this assignment or you are feeling some kind of hesitant, so I would recommend you to please go through all the past videos once again.